We are out in Bristol Station Park recording for a walk. This is called Cicadas here. And the girls. You can zoom in. No zooming in. You can hear all the cicadas. Hi, girls! My 2-hand waves. Good job, Lila. Lila's getting a 2-wave on. Or 2 waves. You can hear all the cicadas. Whoa, Lila went into the water. Good catch, Mama. Oh, goodness. Lila, what are you doing? Maya, what's Lila doing? Maya's too loud for you? The loud cicadas. You see in the forest, all here. They're all up in the trees. Let's go try to find a bug-eyed cicada.
See the big bug?
There's a cicada.
Mr. Cicada.
It's like an orange color.
See if you can make him fly? Okay. Gotta go down.
Lila wants to get down.
Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run.
Lila's off. Lila, she's going off-roading. Maya, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, what are you going to look for, cicadas or butterflies?
Butterflies.
Butterflies, alright. Or butterfly hunting. Bye-bye.